Hello everyone, today we're making sushi rolls. I will show you the basic ingredients of sushi rice and we'll make a basic version sushi roll without any raw fish. Before we start, we need to get our ingredients from the local Japanese store. I went to Sakuraya, our neighborhood Japanese mom and pop store. The store is small, but you can buy almost all Japanese products you need to make sushi and other Japanese food like miso soup, unagi or eel, and Japanese curry. By the way, I'll make a Japanese store tour on my next video to see what's inside a Japanese store in New York. For the sushi rice, we need Japanese white rice, Japanese rice vinegar, sesame oil, and sesame seeds. The measurements depend on how much roll you plan to make. In this video, I used 2 cups of rice to make 8 sushi rolls. For the sushi roll, we need roasted seaweed paper, capelin roe or fish eggs, imitation crab legs, ripe avocado, slices of cucumber and carrots, a bamboo sushi roller, and sriracha mayonnaise. To make the sushi rice, first we need to cook 1 to 2 cups of Japanese white rice. If you don't have a rice cooker like me, you can use a pressure cooker. Mix vinegar into the rice. The amount depends on how much rice you have. The vinegar complements the saltiness of the seaweed paper. Add the sesame oil and then add the sesame seeds. Mix well together. By the way, I'm not a sushi chef, so my method is purely for homemade sushi consumption and may differ from what sushi restaurants do. To start the sushi roll, place a sheet of seaweed paper on the bamboo roller. Then spread the rice thinly over the seaweed. The thing about making sushi is there's no measurement. You can adjust the amount of rice based on what you want. Then it's time to add the fillings. I add the fish eggs first. To make your own sushi roll, you just add the ingredients that you like and you can be a little creative with it. Then we add the thinly sliced cucumbers horizontally. Then add the thinly sliced carrots. Then the imitation crabs. Followed by the avocado slices and the sriracha mayonnaise. The sriracha mayonnaise tastes like something the sushi restaurants use. You can also use Japanese mayonnaise, wasabi paste, or Thousand Island dressing as alternatives. Using the bamboo roller, roll the seaweed paper to make the sushi roll. It can be messy sometimes, but it's okay. Practice makes perfect over time. Regardless how it appears, this sushi roll is delicious. This is how it is supposed to look like. Let's try another roll. To any sushi chef watching this, sorry if I don't follow the art of making sushi. Guys, believe me, practice makes perfect over time, but it doesn't have to be perfect. The nice thing about making homemade sushi is you can customize the fillings and create your own roll. In the US, we use fillings such as cream cheese, canned tuna, baked salmon, or radish. Then slice the rolls using a sharp knife on a cutting board. Sushi restaurants mostly use Kikkoman soy sauce for the dipping sauce. You can also add wasabi paste in it. This is ready to eat. Itadakimasu! Here's the full ingredients of my sushi roll recipe. Here are alternative sushi filling ingredients. I hope you can try this very easy sushi roll recipe. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again in my next video.